Hello everyone, welcome to Slidesync installation and working tutorial. Let's get started. Open web browser and visit slidesync.web.app. Navigate to the download section. Scroll down. Click on Download Slidesync Server button. Choose Path and click on Save. It will start download. After successful download, go to Download folder and double-click on Slidesync Setup executable file. If message comes like this, then click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. It will take you to installation window. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Again click Next. Click on Create Desktop Shortcut and then Next. Again Next. Congratulations! Slidesync server installed successfully on your PC. Now click on Finish button. Slidesync server window launched successfully. Now, start the server by clicking on a Start Server button. Click on Allow. Now, Slidesync server is in running state. Make sure that your PC and phone on a same Wi-Fi network. Now, we will install Slidesync app on a phone. To do that, open web browser and search for slidesync.web.app. Scroll down to Download section. Click on Download Slidesync app button. Again click on Download. Our app is downloaded successfully. Now click on Open button and install the app. Our app installed successfully. Now open the app. Enter the IP address as shown on your Slidesync server. Now click on link icon to connect with server. Our phone is connected successfully with PC. Now we are ready to control slides remotely. Now open PowerPoint and test the application. Refer the Slidesync website for further information. Thank you. Enjoy the app.